Who needs Rice Krispie treats when you can have Ritz cracker candy?
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. I made this recipe, brought it to work. Everybody loved them and no one could guess what they were made out of, which was pretty cool. So simple, 4 ingredients, starting off with 4 cups of marshmallows, either small ones or the large ones, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Put the butter and the marshmallows in a big bowl, put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes on high until they're large and puffy and melted. You could also do this on the stove if you prefer. That's a box of Ritz crackers, about 7 ounces, 200 grams. I poked a little hole in the corner of the bag, just a tiny one, just to let the air out so it wouldn't explode while I was crushing them. And you're going to crush it into very fine crumbs. There are the marshmallows out of the microwave. I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but that's usually what I do on my channel. Give it a good stir until the butter and the marshmallows are incorporated and nice and smooth. Then you're going to blend in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add the cracker crumbs to this mixture and just stir until combined and the crackers are nicely coated. That's all you have to do. Now I find this is best if the cracker crumbs are very fine, but that's be a matter of personal preference. So once that's stirred in, you're going to get it ready to transfer to some kind of container. This makes enough for an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, but you could easily double this recipe without any issue. So there's my 8 inch by 8 inch baking dish. I greased it very lightly with some cooking spray. You can do a little bit of butter if you'd like. Put your mixture in, and I use a little bit of butter on the spatula so it wouldn't stick, and just pat it down until it's firmly packed in the bottom of the pan. And then put it in the refrigerator and let it harden up a little bit, let it set, and then you can cut it up. You don't have to store it in the fridge. It stores perfectly fine in a covered container at room temperature and actually stays quite nice for a couple of days afterwards. It doesn't get hard, it stays nice and soft. Here is what it looks like. You can see how stretchy it is. It has a similar taste and texture to Rice Krispie treats, but because the crackers have salt on them, you have like a sweet salty thing going on that makes them amazing. Give them a try, feed them to your friends, and have them try to guess how you made them. I have many no-bake recipes on my channel and they're all in a playlist. Check it out in the description box below or by clicking on your screen. Thanks for watching.